Welcome to this instructional video for the Verti-Top. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the most important procedures and tips for effectively using this machine. Safety instructions. This video does not replace the manual. For safe operation, always read and fully understand the operator's manual before using the machine, paying close attention to the safety instructions. Incorrect operation may lead to injury or damage. It is important to only operate the machine on synthetic turf. Always switch off the tractor during adjustments and repairs. Always wear suitable personal protective equipment, including protective gloves, steel-toe safety boots, long trousers, and close-fitting workwear without any loose items. Visual check. Before using the machine, always carry out an inspection for any visible damage or defects, ensuring everything is tightened correctly before commencing any work. It's equally important to conduct regular checks during operation, as loose components can not only reduce performance, but also pose a safety risk. Connecting and leveling. Connect the Verti-Top to the tractor using the 3-point linkage by carefully backing the tractor's lifting arms to the Verti-Top. Remove the connecting pins, ensuring the correct size pin and hole is used. Connect the PTO shaft to the tractor, ensuring the shaft is correctly fitted and protected. Connect the top link using either the fixed hole for smooth, even surfaces or the slotted float position to contour follow. Lift the machine slightly above the surface. Center the Verti-Top by gently moving it from side to side until it is aligned with the tractor. Then secure it using the tractor's sway link pin, limiting sideways movement to a maximum of 10 centimeters or 4 inches. Ensure tractor drop links are level to maintain a horizontal level when lifting and lowering the Verti-Top. Lower the machine into the surface. Rake adjustment. Adjust the rake with the machine on the floor by adjusting the tractor's top link so that the machine is square set to 90 degrees, making sure it's parallel to the surface. Check that the tires are in good condition and set the tire pressure between 1 and 2 bar, or between 14.5 and 29 psi. Working depth adjustment. To adjust the working depth, turn the depth adjuster at the front of the machine to the desired depth, equally raising the front caster wheels. The brush bristle should just slightly be into the surface and not cause any deflection to the brush. It is important that the front rubber flap is in good condition to seal the brush for the best vacuuming results. Spring tine rake and rear brush adjustment. Equally turn the depth adjuster at the front of the machine to set the spring tine rake just into the surface. Then adjust the rear finishing brush by loosening the 2 bolts on either side of the brush. Adjust so that the brush is just into the surface and level, then retighten all 4 bolts. Sieve adjustment. Sieves can be replaced for various sizes depending on the synthetic system or weather conditions. Use a smaller diameter sieve for dry conditions and a larger diameter sieve for wet conditions. The angle of the sieve plate can be adjusted as needed, although the maximum rake angle is recommended for most system types. Start procedure. Drive forwards with the Verti-Top just above the surface with a maximum speed of 5 kilometers per hour, or 3 miles per hour. Engage the PTO at around 400 RPM and lower the machine quickly but in a safe and controlled manner into the surface. Once the machine is running, increase the PTO speed to a maximum of 540 RPM. Then adjust your forward speed as needed. Stop procedure. Reduce the tractor's RPM and gently raise the Verti-Top out from the surface, and once cleared, turn off the PTO. Never leave the brush running while in contact with the surface, and never make turns with the machine in contact with the surface. Thank you for watching this instructional video on the Redexim Verti-Top. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more, don't forget to consult the manual in the black tube on the machine or at redexim.com. And of course, your local Redexim representative is always available to help and ensure you are well supported.